You can learn easy and effective way of installing window blind and curtains. Not just easy way, a more professional way of fixing curtain and blind. First of all, you do the needful. You have to inspect. You might take measurements, drill the wall, fix the brackets, install the blind. Test it, do some run tests. Make sure that it's in order. Make sure that it firmly fixed to the wall to avoid hurting someone. Then this simple transformation in 5 minutes. Swapping from curtain to blind or from blind to curtain. Either way, whichever way, you have to take the measurements. Accurate measurement must be taken. Maintain a pure horizontal level. Pure. You must have known your SI unit of measurement are the feet and inches. This is the first thing you learn in interior. This is the basics you have to learn in interior decor and design. Your measurements, the units. Yes. You drill. You have to drill it properly. This is one of the basics in interior design and decoration. You must learn at least how to use the simple tools. The hammer, the screwdriver, the plier, the scissors, the drilling machines. You must position your hands straight so that you can bore the hole. Fix the brackets. Be sure that it's properly fixed, screwed to the wall or nailed to the wall. Either option, either way. Then untie the blind and ring it. Check it. Set both day and night mode. Make sure that you work with the color. There must be a color blend